CBAM Readiness, CBAM, how to make decarbonization efforts pay off. The Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism, CBAM, is an EU policy designed to prevent carbon leakage by imposing a carbon price on imports of certain goods from countries with less stringent climate policies. CBAM Readiness, how to make decarbonization efforts pay off, focuses on helping businesses prepare for CBAM compliance while turning decarbonization into a competitive advantage. The key message is that early investment in reducing carbon emissions not only ensures smoother CBAM compliance, but can also lead to cost savings and enhanced market positioning. Companies are encouraged to develop accurate carbon accounting systems, improve supply chain transparency, and engage with suppliers to track embedded emissions. By aligning business strategies with CBAM requirements, firms can avoid border costs, benefit from potential incentives, and build resilience against future climate-related regulations. Ultimately, CBAM Readiness transforms decarbonization from a regulatory burden into an opportunity for innovation, efficiency, and improved brand value, enabling businesses to thrive in a low-carbon economy. Published on 2026-04-24 at 01501. Now to today's Market Watch. Today's Market and Policy Watch. No verified market or policy updates were confirmed for this run.